Well, Scott, we got hit with Snowstorm Fern this weekend. It dropped over a foot of snow on us. And I thought this would be a great opportunity for us to test out the 4MATIC all-wheel drive from Mercedes in our snowy lot back here. Right?
Well, I think that's a very good idea, and yes, it'd be nice to do something in the snow other than shovel it, because that's been kind of a pain.
That's been your thing lately. All of our things lately, really. So let's go ahead and go to the snow-covered lot that we have here, and we're in a GLC today. And basically what I really just want to kind of demonstrate is the all-wheel drive system here for Mercedes. So maybe if you want to just go ahead and tell me about it.
Well, the GLC 300 4MATIC is our most popular model. We're going to drag something else out here, but I thought this one was very representative of what most people coming into the store are looking for. The way the Mercedes 4MATIC system works, it is a full-time all-wheel drive system. There's no buttons to push, nothing like that. And it will send power to the wheel that needs the most help at any given time. So if you're going up the mountain road and it's snowing like crazy, just point the car in the right direction, go easy on the throttle, easy on the brake, and you'll have no troubles at all.
I like to come to a complete stop. There's a little bit of a hill here.
That's all right,
So
go ahead.
I'm just going to go ahead and give it a test. And we're right up here.
Now, everything we make at Mercedes-Benz comes in some kind of 4MATIC derivative, so a sedan would have done that just as well.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's impressive because there's not too many sedans out there with an all-wheel drive system.
Well, there's not too many sedans out there to begin with. Try some of the thick stuff.
Yeah, let's go over here.
Not up the hill, but you know.
Yeah, but definitely, yeah, here we are, half on the really thick stuff, half off. And we're just plowing right through it, you know what I mean? Like we're not having any issues with that.
No, we're not going to in a 4MATIC.
Yeah.
Anything that says 4MATIC on the back is going to get you through.
Now, you know, it's also really cool, you know, we have a nice 360 backup camera so we can look around us. Let's check that out here for a second. I'm gonna go down this path right here. There we go.
Yeah.
And this you know, having a camera here that we can access whenever we want is really neat. You're seeing what's in front of us. Like we can this is really low down to the ground too, so that's pretty neat. And this is just correcting for me. I've barely had to even turn my steering wheel to correct for anything. And we've been testing out all-wheel drive systems this entire week.
Yeah.
This might I think this does handle the best, honestly.
I told you.
Yeah, you might have won it out. We have factory tires on here. Obviously, snow tires are a possibility to get on this, right?
You're not going to need them.
Yeah.
But if you want them, we certainly can do that for you. But these are all seasons, 19-inch all seasons. They'll be good all the time. The only tires you need to really be concerned about are the summer high performance ones, just because they don't do well in cold weather. They get too hard.
And I'm really trying to get this thing to kind of slip a little bit here.
It's not going to.
Yeah.
It's not going
Got
to.
really good traction. I'm very impressed with this. Now, you know, sometimes what happens is you get stopped, right? And you might have a hard time get going. So, you know, just for people out there who maybe don't have a 4MATIC all-wheel drive system like this vehicle, is there a way to turn off the traction control on here?
There actually is. What the traction control does, when you start to feel serious wheel slippage, will actually retard the power going to that wheel, so you don't slip so much and make everything so icy underneath. But in most circumstances, unless you're really buried in a snowbank, you're not going to need to do that anyway.
And it's starting to come down here again, Scott, so definitely really cool to, you know, be testing out this 4MATIC today. I think that's going to do it for our video, though. We're enjoying our heated seats, our heated steering wheel, and we don't have to deal with any of this. I didn't even have to switch into a different mode or anything like that.
That's the beauty of it. You don't have to do anything. The car is always in all-wheel drive all the time. And that's not just good for bad weather. That's great for handling on twisty roads when it's beautiful outside. You're going to get the right amount of grip on the right wheel whenever you need it.
Well, this is a great demonstration, so hopefully somebody learned something here. If you guys have any questions, how would they be able to contact you, Scott?
Well, if you've been slip sliding in your car and you want something that grips a little bit better than most, you need a Mercedes-Benz. Come see us at Bud Smell Motor Cars or on Route 30 in Greensburg, or give us a call at 724-838-1200, or look online at smailmercedesbenz.com.
And that's going to do it for our snow test drive today. So until next time, guys, enjoy the ride.